point in our life, our kids end up being our greatest motivators. My daughter Varsha not just only motivate me, she taught me that life does not stop ever with obstacles and always we can stand up and again to fight and keep moving forward. She is a victim of traumatic brain injury. She underwent major surgeries at very young age. When the doctors and parents even gave up for a recovery, she is not ready to ever give up yet. She underwent tremendous pain and with the ventilator support, she stood like a true soldier and fought a way out. As a mother, I learned true great strength and never give up attitude from this little fighter. Children can be our greatest teachers and show us life is worthy for fighting no matters what. She is indeed of inspiration for many kids and adults who are facing innumerable issues in their life. Even in the darkest hours of life, they guide us like a bright light. And your experience proves that live to inspire and fight for success.
Hello everyone, this is my son Vehan. Ever since the day he is born, he has gifted me so many joys like a hero does. He has always been a very loving, caring, and obedient son. Many times he astonishes me by behaving in a way so mature than by his age. The day he came to know about us, welcoming a new member, he took it as his responsibility to take care of me. He does many things which make me think that he's just 5. Whenever I found difficult to walk, he holds my hand and make me walk and tell, "Ma, no problem, I am with you." कोई बात नहीं, ऐसा हो जाता है, आप ध्यान रखो, मैं आपका ध्यान रखूंगा. It make me think he will really prove a wonderful elder brother. He dresses, studies, eats, plays by his own, as he came to know that now he is going to be a big brother. He is also very good quality that he keep everything neat, clean and very well organized. He always keep his toys in a well placed and organized manner. He don't like that everything is here and there. He also has a good habit of keeping with not wasting the electricity. Whenever he found, Ma, light क्यों बंद नहीं करी? Fan क्यों चालू है? As he came out from the room, he switches off all the lights and fans. He has really proved a true hero to me. मेरा बेटा मेरा हीरो. He is my superhero. है ना? Vihan is my superhero.
Yes.
Thank you.
Hi, Tanuj mom here. So the topic is my son, my hero. Definitely he is my hero, Tanuj. I love my kid and he loves me a lot. He is a very understanding kid at this early age. His father is in overseas and I am working professional. We couldn't able to spend so much of time with him. But he never expects. He is very understanding. He is a kind of kid who is very understanding and adjustable at this early age. Even though we are not able to spend time, but whatever the time we are trying to be with him, he enjoys that. And Tanuj, I'm so sorry, I'm not able to spend so much of time, but definitely I will try to spend as much of time with you. As a kid, you never expect anything from us. But I'm really lucky that you're my kid.
The topic My Child, My Superhero. My daughter Vinisha was born on 19th June 2012. She has excellent observing skills and executes things similarly, whether it is handling a toy as a baby or teaching in an empty classroom like a teacher. She keeps asking numerous questions, which shows her inquisitiveness in learning more things. She will recall my answer at apt moment, which has sometimes backfired too. She was given the first opportunity to speak in the school assembly when she was in the class LKG. Later, she was selected to deliver the convocation speech on her UKG graduation day. Hours and hours of training and repeated rehearsals made her deliver the perfect speech on the day. Just see a glimpse of her speech.
Managing it is difficult. Here are mothers who manage at least 30 kids in each class. Have fun with that.
She made me very proud and earned a good name among teachers. The quality of a human being will reflect in his support to the mankind. Vinisha is very compassionate to others. She is a kid who always has good intentions to do something to help others. She has been molded by her teachers so well so far, and because of them and their blessings, she has been able to be the outstanding student in all the classes so far. She has also participated in a lot of competitions and she has won prizes too. The moments of receiving prizes on the stage is still live in my memory. Her liveliness brings me back with energy when I come from office and she comes running and says, "Papa, I love you so much." And she has become a big support to me. Yes, she is my superhero. She is accomplishing things with the help of the elders and teachers in the right way. She is understanding the value of life slowly and follows it. She makes me feel proud of her and sometimes makes me go to my younger days when I recall and wonder about my multiple attempts to succeed in anything. I am confident that she will hone her skills in Kola Saraswati as she grows up and will continue to make me proud by her achievements. I just wish and pray that she should not remain as my superhero alone, but she should become a superhero for her class, for her school, for her state, for her country and the entire world. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Hi, I'm Jagdishwari, mother of Yogit Foye. Very good morning to all. First, I thank the school organization to organize such a wonderful program on this Children's Day. I am happy to use the opportunity to speak about the topic My Child, My Hero. I ask God to send me a man who will always love me, So he gave me a son on 19 May 2011. You know, I named him as Yogi. The moment I heard, I was filled with love and dreams. Dream of his first day of kindergarten, his first prom, his first kiss, his first touch, which made me more responsible to keep him safe and take care of him and to be a shadow of his all activities. He now completed 10 years. He is not bold enough to prove himself. Though he had talent and interest in many things, he stayed back to show his work to this world. My son, I want you to believe deep in your heart that you are capable of achieving anything you put your mind to, that you will never lose. You will either win or learn. Just go forth and aim for the skies. Self-control is mastery. Self-calmness is mastery. You have to get a point to control the direction of your life. Don't allow your emotions to overpower your intelligence. As I promise you, I will always be one of the three places. In front of you to cheer you, behind you to have your back, or next to you so you are never alone. I want to end my speech in saying that you are one in million. You are a star. You are kind. You are brave. You are my hero. You are amazing. You are fun. You are love. You are a wonderful person. You are my son. Thank you.
Hi, Jai Shri Krishna. I am Prabhu, father of P. Aditya Mani, who is studying second standard in Kuala Saraswati. My sons are my heroes. Aditya is elder son to me, and my younger son is Vinayak Mani, who is 2 years old. Aditya used to listen the advice what we provide to him and behave as accordingly. This character we as a parent thoroughly admire on him. I feel joy and happiness whenever I hear the little sound from the little heroes on the early morning when they wake up from bed, saying Amma Appa. Probably a best sound a parent could ask for. He used to love to go ride with me and with his grandparent. He thoroughly enjoys games with his little brother, with his grandparents, and every day at night he used to encourage his grandparents on the medicine they have taken after meal. Normally, parents used to feed their kids first and they like to have the food later. But here, Aditya give us the pleasure to have a respective meal, and he waits with expectation every time that his mother would feed him. Here, her mother pretend to be angry with him, stating that he takes too time to complete his meal, but every time she thoroughly enjoy feeding him with the happiness of joy as a mother used to. Here, I like to bring a note about Aditya that he used to ask n number of questions on the topic which we discussed with him. It may be cricket, football, study, career, and also home discussions. Where sometimes we used to get fetch answers from senior people and my grandparents to answer his questions. I strongly believe we are feeding a good seed into our kids that they will grow with the best career by providing a very good surrounding culture, and they are learning every day, becoming stronger every day, and they'll be a good person, good sons and good citizen in future for this country. They are, I like to tell you, they are not only our kids, they are the one whom, wow, the reason what we are living, love and care. So I proudly say they are the moon, star, everything to us. Thank you.
Jai Shri Krishna. This is Sujata, mother of 8B Sujesh Kumar and 2A Suraksha. My children are my superheroes because they have superpower that amaze me every day. I'm just giving few reasons why my children are my superheroes. The pureness of my kids' hearts reminds me every day that love is the biggest superpower that everyone possesses. Each day is new adventure for them. They learn something new every day and share their joy for it. They reminds me that I should be doing the same. My son owned 3 black belts in karate before he completes 12 years of his age. He can break 10 tiles together, which shows his self-confidence and inner strength. He also achieved world record in karate. My daughter is an artist by birth because she can draw any pictures which she see around, even from 2 years old. Her drawings exhibited in Lalit Kala Academy when she was studying first standard. Sometimes they fight each other with arrogant attitudes. When I feel down, immediately my son will give up the fight and my little girl will hug and say, "Love you, mom," which fills my soul again. When I think I have no more energy to move further, I immediately muster up the strength through my kids, which I feel only superheroes can do that. They reminds me all the good in the world. It's something that I'll be grateful forever. I hope they'll never forget the superpower which they hold. Thank you.
Hello everyone, this is Dimple Matalya. December 4th, 2009 and 27th May 2012 are not only the birthdays of my cute angels but also me as a mother. I have always aspired to be a good mother, but then I realized it is my angels who turned me to be a good mother. Whenever I feel low, they always cheer me. They are always cheerful, full of energy, and they never get tired of doing anything. We always keep on trying, doing things, new things, trying new things. We feel that children must always follow their parents' footpath, but learning things from them is such a great thing, such a great feeling too. They make me realize that age is no bar to learn anything. It is a great feeling. It feels joyous to follow their interest and their passion too. So on this occasion of Children's Day, I just want to wish them all the luck and best wishes. May they reach the great heights in life. Lots of love and wishes to them.
Good afternoon, one and all. Happy Children's Day to all the smart kids and beautiful kids of Kola Saraswati. Thank you, teachers, for taking so much of efforts of this virtual celebration of Children's Day of our kids, making them feel special in every smallest way you can. Thank you so much. I am Amrita Shah, mother of Shanvi, studying in 7C. My topic is my child, my hero. Of course, she is my hero. All the mothers feel that their kids are the bestest gift bestowed upon them from the Almighty God. And I am no exception. Therefore, I am making this video to make her feel special. And since as mom and daughter, we want to participate in the competition as well. So after Shanvi was born on 3rd April 2008, after 36 hours of labor, when I holded her in my arms, I looked at her and I told her, "Welcome, my angel, to this beautiful world." She is very smart, very talented and very talkative, which now all the teachers know as well. And from the start, she used to learn everything by herself. I never took efforts of teaching her anything apart from studies. She learned herself wearing socks, tying her shoes lace and uniform clothes, seeing me, my family members, and she's good. In fact, very good, very caring. Sometimes she's my mom as well, to shout at me when I don't take care of myself. And now she has become 13. My princess is, become what do we call as teens, and she take care of siblings so nicely. She has become more responsible in every way she can. Yeah, at times she becomes adamant ziddi, but it's okay. It's her rights to get my attention, family members' attention. She has to do all that cranky things, which is sometimes irritating, but it's acceptable. All forgetting everything, she is the best, and she is of course my hero. And talking more about her, that teachers are the best. Guru, they can give information and give suggestions, teach her good. What else I can say about my child? And I'm just ending this video by just calling my daughter Shanvi here. She is my child, my hero. Thank you, teachers, for this video. Thank you.
Thank you.
Jai Shri Krishna. Today's topic is My Child, My Hero. All parents feel that their children are the best gift from God to them. Sometimes shocking surprises are the most beautiful one. When Dhun came into our life as a surprise and a precious gift from God, we named her Dhun, which means music, and she lives upon it. She is sometimes calm, energetic, and flows in everyone's heart and mind. In her school, she continues to make her imprint. She has been taking part in annual day programs, Janmashtami programs, and even school days and even sports days. She shines and commands the space. She is gracious and inspirational. There is a power in her voice. She amazes us each day. She sets her goals and goes after it. Once, her grandma challenged her to beat the score of her brother in her 10th grade boards. She took it up and went after it and scored 5 more marks extra than her brother and won the challenge. She had earned her every achievement through her hard work and tireless work. She has a knack of learning things rapidly. Once she saw an ad in Instagram of calligraphy. Suddenly she developed the interest in doing calligraphy, and later she developed the habit and took interest in it. She created new things every weekend and surprised us. We were shocked to see her love and dedication towards it. We share a bonding as a friend. She shares her views, ideas, her opinions with me. She, as a teenager, has already inspired and changed my life. She is a type of child anyone can count on. She is caring, self-starter, responsible, sensitive, brilliant, smart, beautiful, reliable, etc. I don't have an end for the adjectives to describe my daughter. She is strong. No matter what the situation is, she always stays calm. She never panics. She understands that failure is necessary to grow. I am grateful and honored to be a mother. There is nothing more I could wish for a daughter. She is every mother's dream. God has created us, planted a fragment, a spark of Himself in each one of us. He is right. When I look at my daughter, I see a perfect reflection of God. As this beautiful little girl grew, she filled me with love, joy, and a little bit of confusion. She is smart, kind, and loving. She is the perfect the way she is, and she means the world to me. Thank you.
Good evening. Good evening to everybody.
Good evening, everybody.
Jai Shri Krishna. We are going to talk about my son, who is my hero, Ritik Venkatraman, studying in 11C. He is a
self-motivated child, and we are actually a blessed parent. He is my blessed child. He is my hero because of his attitude, his behavior, and responsibility. He always obeys my order, and at the same time, if anything went wrong, he used to advise me that I am wrong, and I also agree with him. And he is a self-motivated person. He always accomplishes his work, whatever it is assigned to him, even at home and also at school. And
his attitude was very good, and he scored well in the board exam 10th standard, which was held on last year. Around 447 for 500 he scored. In Maths he got a centum, Sanskrit he got 96, Science he got 90. He's the best performance in Maths, and he loves Maths very well.
he is a very hard-working fellow, not only in the academic part I'm telling, and also at home, in the neighborhood, everything. Even if we feel like, if we find depressed at any moment, he used to convince us for anything. And he is also teachers' favorite student. All teachers' favorite student at all time. Even 10 days before, BP Madam was giving a very big applause for his behavior, obedience, and also was telling that we are a blessed parent. He is my blessed child.
He is my blessed child. Very good.
He is like a book of knowledge. That is, if there is any doubt in electronic gadgets, like connecting to regarding computer, printer items, or taking any videos or any mobile phones, we used to get it from him.
His wonderful ambition was to become a chartered accountant as well as ICWA.
And also he wants to become a IAS officer. I always pray to God that all his wishes will be accomplished by God's grace, and with all our blessings and also his grandparents' blessings, he will accomplish all his goals and will be a successful child, and for his life and also in his career. He always helps me in my household work. It's not like for only academic part he is good. He is also very much good at home. He always helps me, like sweeping, cleaning, dusting, washing, whatever might be the work, he used to help me.
He loves parents very much, and mostly his hobbies are playing cricket, carom boards, and watching TV, and also reading the general knowledge books.
If a work is being handed over to him, he always completes it with full satisfaction of others, and also he accomplishes that work with 100% satisfaction. So he is my child and he is my hero always.
our hero. He is our hero also. And also we have a good hope on him for plus 2
Not
exam,
only us.
plus 2 board exams.
All teachers have good hope on him that he will score 100% in most of the subjects and also be number 1 in his board results. We always pray for him to accomplish his goals and also for a happy life.
We once again thankful to Kola Saraswati School for
Every
giving
year he used to get scholarship. So we are also thankful for that. Only if he studies well, he can get scholarship. He always studies well and scores well and get scholarship every year. And reduces burden of his father every year. So in this way also we are blessed. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Jai Shri Krishna. I am Yashika's mother. All mothers feel that children are the best gift bestowed upon them. Time flies so fast, doesn't it? Is it not yesterday that she was a baby in my arms and telling her, I am your mummy, I have been waiting for you eagerly. I looked at her and wondered where life would take her. Today she has become strong, kind and caring. I am glad there's her to smile at me and brighten up my day. I believe that this is the best relationship in this world. My daughter, my world. I remember an incident from the past where her left hand was burnt and I was shattered. But when I looked at my child and saw that she stayed strong, which gave me so much confidence. I know that sometimes I shouted at her and also become a strict mother, but as everyone knows, it is for her. I never told this to her but today I want to say that I am proud of her and I love her with all my heart and I wish may all her dreams become fulfilled. Thank you.
Shri Krishna. Today I am going to prepare my son Vaibhav's favorite dish, Suji vermicelli fritters. Let's start. Let's see the ingredients. Suji, chopped carrot, chopped capsicum, chopped tomato, gram flour, fresh curd, vermicelli, black pepper, jeera powder, salt, lemon, coriander leaves and chilli. Take a bowl, add 1 cup of fine suji If you don't have fine suji, grind it in the mixie and make a powder. Add 4 to 5 spoons of curd, salt according to your taste, add carrot, capsicum, tomato, jeera powder for digestion. Now mix all. The batter should be thick. Add boiled vermicelli. I have kept 50% of the boiled vermicelli I have kept ready. Add chilli, coriander leaves, black pepper, lemon, few drops of lemon, keep mixing it continuously so that it get binded well. Add 1 spoon of gram flour, that is besan. It helps in binding. If the batter is very thick, add just 2-3 spoons of water. The batter should be very thick. The batter should be made like this. Grease the palm with oil so the batter doesn't stick. Now take small quantity and pat it in the cutlet form. These are kept ready. Take the vermicelli, wrap these ready. Now we'll take a kadai with oil. Now we'll heat the kadai in the medium flame. Now we'll check whether the oil is hot. Yes, oil is ready. Now we'll put one by one in the oil pan. The flame should be in the medium. It should not touch in between. Once it is half cooked, we have to flip with the spoon. Let's check. Yeah, it's half cooked. Now we can flip it. You can see now the color has been changed. It's ready. arrange, you can see the color, texture. Wow, lovely color. My son will love it. Now with the same batter, we'll make small balls and make delicious paniyaram. Balls are ready. Now we'll take a appam pan. We'll grease with oil. Now light the gas in medium flame. It's warm. Now put the small balls in the appam pan. The flame should be in the medium. Add few drops of oil so that the color will be golden yellow. It will give a nice color and it won't stick. Cover the lid. We'll now open and check. We'll turn these appam balls. We'll cover the lid for next 2 minutes. Now we'll open the lid. Wow, paniyaram balls are ready. It's nicely cooked. Now we'll prepare chutney. Take fresh coriander leaves. Add few mint leaves. Few drops of lemon juice. Take 2 chilies, or you can add according to the taste. And little bit of salt. We'll grind and make a paste. And little bit of water and make a fine paste. Chutney should be in this consistency. Dishes are ready. Vaibhav will be surprised to see this. I'll just call him. Dish is ready. Let's see Vaibhav's reaction. Vaibhav? Vaibhav?
Yes, Mama.
Surprise!
Right? Wow! Thank you, Mama.
You just eat and tell me how it is.
Okay, Mama. It is very nice.
This one crunchy cutlet. This one?
Very nice, Mommy.
Thank you, beta. Let's complete it fast. It's very healthy. Suji, Semia you don't like, but I have made in this form.
Thank you, Mommy.
Hi everybody, this is Mubina, parent of Rizwan Hamid of 7B and Zara Fatima of 4B. I'm here to do the favorite recipe of my kids, and it's custard fruit. Here we go with the ingredients. And the first step is we have to boil the milk. you have to take 2 teaspoons of custard powder. Mix the custard powder with water and we have to make it as a paste. After making the paste, we have to mix the paste with the boiled milk. Now we have to mix the condensed milk for sweetness. If this is not enough, we can add some more white sugar for taste. The custard in this thickened consistency, we can switch off the flame. We can change the custard to another vessel and we have to make it to cool under room temperature. After cooling, we have to add the bananas, pomegranate, and we have to mix all the fruits with the custard. We have to add the toppings. Now I have refrigerated the custard and the custard is chill. Zara.
It's delicious, Mom.